of two-dimensional shapes. The first is triangle ABC with lengths 7, 4, and 15. There's also a square with multiple edges and a cycle. Let's jump right into it. The area of triangle ABC. The formula for calculating the area of a triangle is given by A is equals to half times A times B, because two sides are given. The two sides are A is equals to AB. Is equals to 14 centimeter. That's one of the sides. It's supposed to be 14. That was a mistake. Okay. Good. Then B is equals to BC, I beg your pardon, AD plus DC. That's 7 plus 15. Equals to 22. So these are the two given sides. AB, which is the same thing as BD, is 14 centimeter. Then AC. AC is the same thing as AD plus DC. AD plus DC. 7 plus 15, making 22. So substituting the values into the above formula, we're going to have, first of all, let me say A is equals to half times A times B, half times 14 times 22. So A is 14 centimeter, B is 22 centimeter. 22 times 14 is 308. So we half times 308. Half of 308 is 154 centimeter square. That's the area of this triangle. This is a square, not a triangle, yet we are asked to calculate the area of triangle DEF. This looks like a rectangle, I beg your pardon. So in order to create the triangle, we need to draw a diagonal or a line to connect D and F. This is D and this is F. So we need to draw a line from F to D. Voila, there you have it. Triangle DEF with two sides given, 6 cm and 12 cm. Okay, let's go straight into the calculation. Formula: the area of the triangle, the formula for calculating the area is as usual. A is equals to half times A times B, where A is the same thing as 6 cm, B this 12 cm. So substitute and solve. A is equals to half times 6 times 12. At the end of which we end up with 36 centimeters square. The other half of the question says calculate the area of triangle AEG. This can be formed by drawing a line from A to E. This is A and this is E. So I'm going to draw a straight line down here. Wow, so we have it, triangle AEG. Triangle AEG. What are the parameters? We have A, first of all, A is equals to AG. The distance from here to here is A or AG and is 12 centimeters. It's the same thing as distance from D to E. So I'm going to use this 12 centimeters for this. This is also 12 centimeters. So A equals to AG equals to 12 centimeters. B will be the length or the width from G to E. B is equals to GE. But there are two sections there. So what we need to do is to add them up together. That should be GF plus FE. GF, the distance from here to here, is the same thing as the distance from A to B, which is 5 centimeters. Plus FE is given as 6 centimeters. We have 11 centimeters. So the parameters are now intact. A is equals to 12 centimeter and B equals to 11 centimeter. Substituting this into the equation, we'll have initially, let me get over here. Initially, A equals to half times A times B, which will translate to half times 12 times 11. That's 66 centimeters square. The last question, calculate the diameter of a circle with circumference 66 centimeters. We know that the formula for calculating the circumference of a circle is C equals to 2 pi r. That's the formula for calculating the circumference of a circle. But the diameter of a circle is given by D is equals to 2r. If so, then the above formula can be rewritten as C is equals to D times pi. D has been used to replace 2 and r, because D is equals to 2r. The new formula now is C equals to D multiplied by pi. So from the question, however, D is the unknown variable, not the circumference. It should be the subject of the formula. To make D the subject of the formula, we divide both sides by pi. C over pi, D pi over pi. Now pi cancel pi, we are left with D. That means D sorry. That means that D is equals to C over pi. This is the formula. So from the question, the circumference, which is C, is 66 centimeters. So if we are going to look to identify the parameters now, that is C is equals to 66 centimeters. And pi is a constant. We're going to be using 3.142. So substituting the values into the above equation, we have D is equals to 66 over 3.142. Approximately 21.0 centimeters. That clinches that clinches the assignment for the day.